Investing for beginners, a roadmap to building long-term wealth. Have you ever dreamed of growing your wealth without having to work overtime? What if I told you that investing could be the key to achieving financial freedom? Hi, I'm Prince Sam Official. Today we're diving into the world of investing with a roadmap designed specifically for beginners like you. Whether you're starting with a small amount or ready to make a bigger commitment, this guide will help you build a solid foundation for long-term wealth. So, why invest? The answer is simple: compound interest. When you invest, your money earns returns, and those returns start earning returns of their own. It's like a snowball effect that grows your wealth over time. But don't worry if you're new to investing. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your investing journey confidently. 1. Understanding the basics before diving into specific investments. Let's cover the basics. Investing means putting your money into assets with the expectation of earning a return. Common types include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. 2. Setting your financial goals. The first step is to set clear financial goals. Are you investing for retirement, a big purchase, or building an emergency fund? Knowing your goals will help you determine the right investment strategy. 3. Choosing the right investment accounts. Next, choose the right investment accounts. For long-term goals, consider tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks. For more flexible investing, you might use a standard brokerage account. Each account. 4. Diversifying your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk. Instead of putting all your money into one investment, spread it across different types of assets. This helps protect your portfolio from market fluctuations and reduces potent. 5. Investing strategies for beginners. As a beginner, consider starting with low-cost index funds or ETF. They provide broad market exposure and are less risky than picking individual stocks. You can also set up automatic investments. 6. Monitoring and adjusting. Finally, regularly review your investments. Ensure they align with your goals and risk tolerance. Adjust your portfolio as needed to stay on track. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and patience is key. There you have it, a roadmap to getting started with investing. Remember, the key is to start small, stay informed, and keep your long-term goals in sight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on personal finance and wealth building.